Effective January 1st, 2018, the benefit provided by the Washington State Plumbing and Pipe Fitting Industry Pension Plan is a sustainable income benefit. It provides lifelong monthly pension income, but it's not fixed. The benefit adjusts each year with the plan's investment returns. This video explains how the benefit works. Each year, you add another piece to your pension benefit called your annual accrual. The amount you accrue each year is based on your total contributions for the year, which depend on the contribution rate that applies to you and the hours you work. All of your annual accrual amounts are added together to make your total normal retirement benefit. The Sustainable Income Benefit formula has two benefit multipliers, one for contributions in effect as of December 31st, 2017, and a higher multiplier for contribution increases effective January 1st, 2018 or later. For example, if your contribution rate before 2018 was $3.43, the multiplier that applies to that portion of contributions is 0.6%. If you work 1,900 hours, your annual accrual would be $39.10. Because future contribution rate increases have not yet been negotiated, we can't tell you exactly what those will be. But let's assume that an additional $1 is added to the contribution rate. That additional $1 will get a multiplier of 0.8%, while the rest of the contribution will get the 0.6% multiplier. Over time, you can see what a difference contribution increases could make to your benefit. During your working years, your sustainable income benefit grows in two ways: with your annual accruals and with good returns on the plan's investments. Once you're retired, although you are no longer earning annual accruals, your benefit continues to adjust with investment returns, providing a level of protection from inflation. When you retire, you'll receive any traditional benefit you've earned through December 31st, 2017. That piece will stay fixed throughout your retirement. The adjustment we're talking about only applies to the sustainable income portion of your benefit. The sustainable income benefit has a target investment return of 4%. Each year, the underlying benefit earned to date goes up, down, or stays the same based on whether investment returns are greater than, less than, or equal to 4%. If investments earned exactly 4% every year, there would be no adjustment to the sustainable income benefit, just annual accruals before retirement and then flat. If investments earn more than 4%, benefits earned to that point are dragged up. For example, suppose Steve's sustainable income benefit has grown to $500. The plan's investment earned 6.5%. We do the math for the adjustment, and his benefit increases to $512.02. But that's just the adjustment January 1st for investment returns. Steve then adds another annual accrual to his benefit. The next year, the amount that receives the adjustment is $551.12. The plan's actual calendar year investment returns are used for the adjustment. So, there's a bit of a lag because it takes some time after year-end to get the final results. The return that is used is the one for the calendar year before last. See your plan booklet for more details. If the plan's investments consistently earn 6.5%, you can see that the sustainable income benefit formula would result in consistently bigger benefits over time. But realistically, the ride isn't always that smooth. It can be bumpy with good and bad investment years. If investments earn less than 4%, underlying benefits go down. However, when underlying benefits go down, the highest benefit paid to that point, known as the high watermark, can be preserved. The sustainable income benefit can be shored up with a built-in fund called the stabilization reserve for years when benefits are lower than the high watermark. The stabilization reserve is funded with contributions and a portion of investment earnings in years when returns are particularly high, anything over 12.32%. In the unlikely event that the stabilization reserve runs out, benefits would be reduced to the underlying benefit, the blue bars in the chart. So what happens if the plan's investment return is less than 4%? Let's take another look at Steve and do the next year's adjustment based on a 2% return. When we left off, Steve's benefit was $551.12. Because the plan's return was less than 4%, his underlying benefit is going to go down. We do the math, and his underlying benefit decreases to $540.52. However, $551.12 is his high watermark benefit. If he retired that January and had no adjustments to his benefit, Steve would receive his $540.52 benefit plus $10.60 from the stabilization reserve until his benefit is adjusted the next January. But let's say Steve keeps working and adds another annual accrual to his underlying benefit amount. Steve has a new high water mark, and the next year, the amount that receives the adjustment is $579.62. In retirement, the benefit paid to you is any traditional benefit you earned through December 31st, 2017, plus your sustainable income benefit and a shore-up piece if necessary. If you work on or after January 1st, 2018, the vesting service required for both the traditional benefit and the sustainable income benefit is only 3 years. All of your vesting service counts for both parts of your benefit. The plan's normal retirement age is 65, but if you have 5 or more service credits, you can retire as early as age 62 with no reduction in your benefit, or as early as age 55 with a reduced benefit. Generally, monthly benefits are paid for your lifetime, but you could also choose an option that continues a benefit to your spouse after your death, or makes a minimum number of payments. Your monthly benefit amount is adjusted for the payment option you choose. When you retire, you will be able to compare the amounts before you decide. If you have questions, please contact the administrative office.